Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. Here it is. Look at this bright, happy, summery box. Alright, so this is my first time ever trying this subscription, my first box from them, and I thought I would just unbox it here with you guys today, show you what I ended up getting and some additional things I got because they do special sales and add-ons. So I have other items to show as well from that. But if you're interested in hearing more about Fabfitfun, I mean, there's tons of these videos out, so I'm sure a lot of you already know about it. But if you're interested in seeing my opinion, what I ended up getting, and my overall thoughts on the subscription, then keep on watching. Alright, so before we jump into, the items and the overview of the subscription, if you are new here and you like fashion, beauty, travel, maybe like my personality, that would be nice too, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. To the newly subscribed individuals out there and to my subscribers who have been here for some time now, thank you so much for supporting this channel. It means so much to me to know that somebody wants to watch my videos and are interested in seeing what I have to say about stuff. I mean, it feels good because when you're small, you're like, who's gonna care about what you have to say? But to know that there are people out there that want to watch my videos, it just feels so good to me. So thank you so much for that. But anyways, on another note, let's actually show what's in here. I mean, this is, I think, what you came here for if you clicked on the video, or maybe you just wanted to see my face. Either way. Now let's get into the details about the subscription. I am a seasonal member. I pay per when the boxes are shipped, or when they come out, and they come out every summer, fall, spring, and winter. And then you can be an annual member as well and pay for the whole year. But as a seasonal box, it's $49.99, 200 something I think as an annual member. But they do get a lot more perks as an annual member. You get your box sooner, you get to customize more things in your box. They give you an option to pick some of the items. You get early access to special edit sales that they have, where they have a bunch of products from lifestyle, beauty, makeup at a great discount. You also get to do add-ons to your box, where you get to add additional items to go into your box at a discounted price. They get early access to that too. So you got a lot more perks being an annual subscriber, which kind of sucks for the seasonal people because maybe you might not want to commit to a whole year or pay that whole money at once. So I think kind of sucks for a seasonal member. That's my opinion on it. So it comes with a magazine. It gives you information. They usually work with a charity of some sort. Let's see what they are working with today or this time. It's the Special Olympics. So there's just information about it. And then all your products that you ended up getting are in this magazine. So let's just jump into it because I felt like I've been rambling forever. So I got the Makeup Hybrid Sponge. Looks like this. Let's see what this retails for. This retails for $20, so pretty much a price of a beauty blender, which is to me pricey. Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. So it has a silicone side to it. Show you guys that, and then it's spongy here. That is interesting. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm gonna give it a try because I use makeup sponges all the time, so I might love it. Who knows? I got a Winky Lux Unibrow. So it's a brow pencil. This is what it looks like. I love Winky Lux packaging. They have the best packaging. So this goes for $16 and it's in the shade Universal. But this is what the pencil looks like. And okay. So it's kind of like a triangle shaped tip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Actually, this is pretty dark. I mean, I think this would actually work on my brows, but this actually looks like a really dark, cool tone. So this actually might work for my brows. All right, so I got a lotion here from Sponge Gel. It's a hand cream, which there's never enough hand creams ever, especially in this time where you use hand sanitizer a lot and you're washing your hands a lot. I feel like I'm constantly needing hand cream and my hands constantly feel dry. So I'm excited to get something like that. This is the scent Coconut Verbena hand cream from Sponge Gel for $18. It says it hydrates hands, has hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia nut seed oil. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's heavenly. Heavenly, not heavenly, heavily fragranted. But it smells really good and fresh, and it does have like a slight coconut scent to it too, and it feels really nice. I love the smell of this. This would not be good for someone who is sensitive to fragrance. That's all I'm saying. I like it. I love things that smell good, so that's good with me. On to the next item. Let's see. Oh, this is one of the items I customized. This is the Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen. I'm always about sunscreen, and Kula is a brand I've always wanted to try. It says it's a mineral face sunscreen matte finish, which is perfect because I have oily skin. Sheer, non-greasy, fast absorbing, plus plant protection. Ooh, I forgot to mention, I'm dropping things. This retails for $36, so it is pretty pricey for a sunscreen. Boom, what is this? This is from Silked. It's a satin pillow sleeve. I'm excited about that. This retails for $29.50. They say satin pillowcases are supposed to be good for your hair. It's also supposed to be good for your skin. And let's see what color it is. Ooh, it's gray. I love that. It's like, oh, it's like a silver. And this is what it looks like. Just a pillowcase. But it looks like, oh, it has like a cotton inside, so this would probably help from the pillowcase not slipping. And it's open on both sides, so I'm guessing so you can just slip it over any size pillow and be good. And then here it is. This is a vase from Isaac Mizrahi. I think that's how you say it. Very cute. This is an item that I picked. I don't know why. I just wanted a vase. I've been really into like homeware and like decorative stuff, so I was excited to see that this is an option. You can put like a little bit of flowers in it, or just kind of sit it alone on your desk or on a shelf. It has like a pink glaze, and then this part is like matte. And this retails for $28. Then I got another homeware. Like I said, I've been into home goods, and oh, I miss home goods. I haven't been in home goods in forever. But I got the Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice. Oh, you guys can't really see. Let me open it up. This retails for $59. So this looks like it's the fragrance itself. And then let's get, there's the sticks. And then here is the container that the sticks sit in. This is actually a lot smaller than I expected it to be. It looked a lot bigger in the photos. And the scent is described as bergamot, geranium, and vetiver. I don't know how I feel about that scent. It has a very kind of unisex scent. I don't know how to describe it, but I mean, it smells pretty good. I don't really know if I like it or not. I mean, it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. It has this unisex scent, but I do like floral scented scents and like tropical and fruity. And then I think we're on the last item. Yes, and this is also an item I customized. And then this is the Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag for $59. It's a cooler bag, and it's perfect size. Like if you just want to go and with your boo to the park and have a picnic, or you're just going by yourself to the pool or with some girlfriends and you just want a couple of drinks. And it's super cute and stylish and yellow and bright. I will put on the screen like the total value of the box because I can't do math right now, okay guys? Not on top of my head. So let me show you guys what I had it on, which was just this. This was an add-on. This is from Apto Skincare. I don't even remember. I think maybe it was $7 as an add-on. And then these are Summer Mist Set. It's a turmeric and a pomegranate refresher sprays. And I love using this as part of my skincare routine, but it's these two little bottles here. They're just face mists. And there. Alright, so this is a, ooh, I hope I didn't break it. It's a box that you could buy for him. So I think this might have been like $39.99, and it had a bunch of items for a man, like different things. Kind of like a little subscription box that you could pay one time for. And I ended up getting this for my boyfriend as like a little gift for his birthday. I thought it was cute, but I'm going to show you guys. It tells you everything that came in the box. They had this option to get these for him boxes during the sale, during the edit sales. I think this was during an edit sale, not an add-on. I don't remember. But it came with a beer mug, which I thought was cool. That retails for $27.50. It came with this in here. This is Grooming and Skincare Complete Castile Soap. This retails for $17.95. And there was the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream in there. I'm not going to take it out, but it's just a squeezy tube in here. And this retails for $49. Wow, that's an expensive cream. Then it came with Fat Boy Sea Salt Pomade. So it looks like maybe it's a texturizer. That's cool. And this retails for $21. I'm trying to go through fast on this. And then it came with, it's from Brook & Co. It's the lighter fix-it set. So it's a flashlight, and then it's like a utility tool that has different tools at the end. I thought my boyfriend would love, because he loves having these kind of things. So it has little devices on here. This would be perfect in the car. And then it does come with a battery. So it's cool that it's also a flashlight. And this retails for $39.99. He was so excited when he got this box. Then I got the Rebels Refinery Pre-Shave Oil. So he does have a beard, so this is perfect for him. That retails for $13.99. It came with the PX Cloth Wallet. It's a nice like leather looking wallet. This retails for $40, and he's always messing up his wallet, so I'm sure he'll eventually use that. And then it has a Salt and Stone Stick SPF, which is perfect because I keep trying to get him to use SPF more. This has SPF 50, and because guys don't like to take a lot of work, well, to do like their face care and all that, well, he doesn't. I'm not speaking for all guys, so this would be something easy for him to quickly put on, like, you know, low maintenance. So the retail box was $227.43, and I believe it was like $39.99 for the box. So I think that's such a good deal. Here is my edit sale box. And I forgot to mention, guys, it took so long for me to get this box and all this stuff. It like shipped out not February. God, I don't even know what month we're in anymore. It shipped out June 2nd. And I just got one box yesterday and this box today. I mean, that's crazy. And it was coming from California. That's another thing I forgot to mention. I didn't like how long it takes to ship these items. I was like, what the hell? Like, of course, with the pandemic and stuff, it's making shipping take even longer. But I mean, it said it shipped the second. Like, I couldn't believe it took that long. I had ordered some stuff that came from China that got here before that. So this is from Chic and Tonic. Oh, it's a ceramic bowl set. This is so cute. It has 3 bowls in it, and like I was saying, houseware I've been addicted to. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little ice cream bowl, or like for little, maybe like a little soup bowl if you don't want a big thing of soup. This is so cute, and like different designs on them. That is so cute. How cute. It has little cactus on it. Adorable. Oh, another thing of plates and stuff. This is from Chic and Tonic as well. This is the melamine plates. These were just these cute floral plates, and all right, here it is. They're plastic plates, but they're so cute. So it comes with 4 small ones and then 4 big ones. That is adorable. I got, oh, okay, so this was a free item. So if you spent a certain amount of money on the edit sale, you got silicone wine glasses, and 2 of them. It comes in a cute little bag. So this was free, and I mean, this makes it convenient if you're like drinking on the go. But they're just 2 like pink silicone cups. That's cute. And then the last 3 items I got during this sale, I got another lotion from Spongeo. This is in French lavender. This is more like a body lotion. Let's smell it. Ooh. That smells really good, and it does kind of have like a shampoo, fresh, almost leaning unisex in the scent. The lavender is actually not that strong in there, but it smells so good. You can never have too much lotion. I mean, I don't. Oh, as speaking of lotion, I also got this from Codes. This is guava. It's a body butter. I don't know if I want to open it. I have like so many lotions open everywhere, but I'm sure it smells good. I already have a lotion from Codes, and like I think it's like white grape or something. But like I said, you can never have too many lotions. And then last but not least is sunscreen. Like, I don't have too many sunscreens already. This is from Julep. It's No Excuses Invisible Sunscreen Gel. I think what sucked me in was that it said it was a gel, and I like gel face products. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this looks pretty small, but it is a 1 ounce, and it's SPF 40. It's invisible sunscreen gel. I don't think this is a mineral sunscreen because it normally says it is. It appealed to me that it was a gel one because I love using gel moisturizers for my oily skin, and then it was SPF 40. And like I mentioned, you can never have too much SPF. I use it every day. I go through SPF like nobody's business. But guys, that is it. That is my add-on sale things box. And my overall thoughts on this was I loved it. I think I got some really good stuff, and I like that they have lifestyle things, homeware things in it. The only thing I did not like is how long it took for these items to ship. And honestly, that could be because of what's going on, or maybe that's just the case when you're a measly little seasonal member. I don't know. But that was my only thing. And I think they had a hiccup with my Edit Cell purchase. Like, they didn't end up shipping it, so they notified me that it didn't get shipped and that they're on it and moving fast. I mean, at least they rectified the issue, but that probably added to why things also took forever for me to get it. But that's like my only complaint. Overall, I think we got some good items, some cool things, some cool brands, some stuff that's new to me. So I'm really excited about that. I love trying new stuff. But overall, I'm excited. I cannot wait to see what we end up getting in the fall time, because I love the fall season, and I'm sure it's cute, cozy items. But if you're subscribed to FabFitFun, let me know what you thought about your box. Or if you're not, let me know what you thought about this subscription, if you're interested in it. And overall, just let me know how you guys are doing. I love hearing from y'all. Don't forget to check out the subscription. There's information. I have Instagram. I'll have that link there if you guys want to check that out as well. And just all the products that I ended up getting. If you're interested in just buying these products on their own and not through the subscription, I'll have that all below for you guys. But anyways, guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and all that. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload and post a video. But that is it, guys. That is all of it. But until next time, bye guys.